Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can navigate OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find it right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then you're going to be right here. Once you're here in this page, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and right here you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, go ahead and click on the OneDrive folder and then right click on it. Then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these options. You're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find OneDrive settings. Click on OneDrive, and then here, you're going to find the option to view it online. Here, you're going to find settings, and here, you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on view online, and then you're going to be here on this page on the web. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, here in the left, you're going to find these sections. Here, you're going to find home, my files, photos, shared, recycle bin. And lastly, as you can see guys right here, you're going to find the option to browse file by the members that you add. So basically guys, if you go to the home section, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your files and folders right here. And if you click on my files here, as you can see guys, you're going to find a list that includes your folders and so on OneDrive. And also right here, you're going to find your personal vault. And right now, if you want to upload a file or a folder on OneDrive, it's pretty easy. All you need to do, guys, is go here to the top left, click on Add New, and then here you're going to find the option to add a new folder, upload a file, upload a folder, and so on. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.